So we've been in Papua for 3 months, 4 months, something like that, and we have moved 3 times from the guest house to our first house, now to our second house, our new house here, and we have a huge house that many of you guys have seen pictures of and such, but I thought I would give you the formal tour. So as you can see, we have a massive, massive yard. It stretches, I don't know, maybe like an acre total. We've got a big old garden in the back where I have a bit of a problem with people trying to break down our front gate. But now that that's all secured, we're good to go. We have goats in here, 3 of goats to be specific. There they are right there. And unfortunately, blasted, 2 of them are on the other side of the fence again. Golly, every single day, gotta go get those goats. But they're still okay. And then we've got, to make you sick, we've got the chickens and the duck pen. We have 6 chickens and 6 ducks. We also get all of our gas via these giant LPG tanks. I don't know what LPG stands for. Just know it's the type of gas that we use here for cooking. This is our house here. What else can I say? Yeah, it's easy to open that gate. We've got a driveway down to the main road, to the city or the town down there. And one of my favorite things is all of the coconut trees that we have here. So I can enjoy those coconuts, cut them down, eat them. You saw that probably earlier. Or I can use them as currency to help keep the young kids in the backyard, guarding the backyard. I told them, if you guys guard my yard, I'll give you coconuts. We have our bikes and the car we're borrowing. Got some laundry hanging up on the line. And then we've got our little hunter. Leo is the little hunter of our house.
Yeah, come back here.
Don't chase her, don't chase her. Save and sound. Hey. Yeah. It's a little puppy there, Everest, named after the Paw Patrol character. Okay, it's dark in here, so pardon the noisy footage. We've done a lot of work to this house, but we've really enjoyed the results. Got my saltwater tank here. We've got a crocodile tank down there. Often hang a hammock up across there. We're having guests over this evening, so Lauren's trying to get some food ready, and they're bringing some food too, so we like the kitchen. Leo's pretty proud of his room. It is a huge, huge mess, but you can kind of get a look. He's got a waterbed too, hammock, of course all of his toys, and then he's got this big old loft up here that he can play on. Really enjoys it. So he still takes naps, but he doesn't like them. This is Leo's nature shelf. Keeps all of his little bugs and stuff on here. So he's got a spider, praying mantis, dried up nasty frog that he loves. So we've got our sanctuary. Oh, it's so nice. I'm gonna talk a little quietly because the baby is still sleeping, but this is our office. I don't know really what else to show you guys. This is pretty well it. This is going to be our house for the next year. Having it for a year makes a huge difference because having to move really is a massive bummer. And so not having to move for a whole year, even though that's not a long period of time for normal people, is a long period of time for us. So right now we're learning language. Lauren and I both had language sessions today. We went to the Pasar today. Had a lot of culture and language, and we've been doing different activities like making traditional bows and arrows and going on trips and all that stuff. So it's been fun. Thanks for keeping up with us as we learn this language, and we're about halfway through the 3rd out of 4 stages. I don't know, maybe another year here. We'll see. We're hoping to be finished before we leave this house, but I don't know if that's really possible, so we'll see. Leo, you have anything you want to say to our friends and family back home?
Well, I got one question. How do we kill something was bigger than ghosts and goats? That's how make something was sharper than
You
bow
need
and
a
arrows.
shower, boy. You're so sweaty. Oh, man. Do that again. Ugh, can you hear that? It's so gross. Okay. All right, guys. Take care.